The Bible gives us an accurate record of history from the very beginning. It spells out an Earth that appears to be about 6,000 years old, but we've been told that the Earth is billions upon billions of years old. What makes sense? Where does the evidence lead? And let's talk to a geologist to find out more answers. This is Wonders Without Number.
We want to focus on the uranium because it gives these billions of year ages that set up biological evolution. And so it's important for people not to realise that they don't have to regard these as absolute. There's a lot of unknowns, assumptions that are involved. They're called into question their reliability. You see, you have to make assumptions. You have to assume that the rate of radioactive decay has remained constant at today's measured rate. And so you measure how much daughter there is now, and you assume that all the daughter has come from radioactive decay of the parent, and if you know the rate of decay, you can back calculate to when the rock formed, when it had none of the daughter in it. And so that's how it works. So by measuring the amount of daughter today and knowing the rate of decay today, assuming that it's been constant in the past, you can back calculate. So it's not that hard to understand. The first assumption is that we know the amounts of parent and daughter atoms at the beginning. In other words, the initial conditions. The problem is there were no scientists there at the beginning. How do we know when the rock formed that it didn't already have a lot of daughter in it? The second problem is that you have to be sure that all the sand in the bottom has come from radioactive decay. And then the third assumption is that your clock has ticked at the same rate in the past. That radioactive decay has always been at the constant at today's measured rate. And we've been only measuring this for the last 100 years.